Hey there! Looks like your marketing strategies are working very well. Wherever you go, whatever you do, leads seem to follow. But what happens after you gather these leads? You need to properly nurture them and convert them into happy paying customers. And the first step towards achieving this goal? Well, it is assigning all incoming leads to the right people in your team to ensure that they get the attention that they deserve. Bigin can help you with that. All you have to do is set up a workflow, and Bigin will automatically assign all the incoming leads based on the criteria you've set. Let's take the example of Zilker Travel Agency. Zilker has two booking agents, Amanda and Emilia. Amanda takes care of all the international bookings while Emilia handles the domestic ones. As soon as a new booking request comes in, Zilker segments them as either domestic or international. How about we create a workflow that will automatically assign all the domestic bookings to Amelia and all the international ones to Amanda? In order to set up a workflow, you will have to head to Settings, and under the Automation section, you'll find the Workflow tab. When you head to the Workflow tab, you'll find the new Workflow button. Here, you can choose the module with which the new workflow is going to get associated with. In this particular case, we are creating a workflow which will get associated with the new bookings pipeline in the pipelines module. Then you can name this workflow and then add a description for your reference. Click on Next, and now you can set up the trigger which will set this particular workflow in motion. In our particular scenario, the trigger is that a new booking is created. And the condition which has to be met is that the record is segmented using a tag as domestic. Now, the action that needs to be executed is that every record which is segmented as domestic needs to get assigned to Amelia. Choose the user, and then you can even ensure that Amelia gets notified that a booking has been assigned to her. Click on Save and click on Save, and the workflow is now created. Now, every time a new domestic booking comes in, it will automatically get assigned to Amelia, and she will also get notified that there is a booking that she needs to handle. That was easy, wasn't it? All you have to do is set up a workflow, and Bigin will automatically assign all the incoming leads to the appropriate people in your team and then help them convert those leads into customers. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, reach out to us at support@bigin.com. Have a nice day.